Hello, welcome. Today we will learn to draw Stitch Incredibox Sprunki. If you don't like the playback speed, you can go to settings and change it. I'll start by drawing the nose. With finer lines, we draw the outline of the eyes. For the ears, we first draw these smaller parts. And finally, we complete the lower part of the body. Done. We've finished drawing Stitch. If you want, you can also color it. Well, that's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next drawing.